Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable crisp chat for e-commerce customer messaging. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable crisp chat for your e-commerce customer messaging, start by visiting the Crisp website. On the homepage, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to your Crisp dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Settings in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find and select Websites. Click on the Add a New Website button. Enter your e-commerce website URL in the designated field. Choose your website type from the options provided. Click the Add button to confirm. Next, return to the dashboard. Locate the Chat widget section in the Settings menu. Here, you can customize the appearance of your chat widget. Adjust colors, position, and welcome messages to align with your brand. Once you are satisfied with the customization, save your changes. Now, navigate back to the Settings menu. Select API and key from the options. You will find your unique Crisp API key here. Copy this API key for later use. Next, go to your e-commerce platform. Access your website's admin panel. Look for the section where you can manage integrations or plugins. Paste the Crisp API key into the appropriate field. Follow any platform-specific instructions to complete the integration. Finally, test the chat widget by visiting your website as a customer. Ensure everything looks good and functions properly. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Crisp Chat for your e-commerce customer messaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.